Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel and thank you very much for watching, everyone. I got a good video for everybody today. If you guys are struggling with your rail shots or your Ticky shots, which I like to also call rail first carom shots, this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing I do is set up 3 paper reinforcements for the blocker ball and the object ball locations. These are at each diamond and they're straight in line with the pocket. I begin by shooting from the kitchen line with 3 locations as well. My first shots are with the cue ball only, trying to Ticky off the side rail into the red ball. For the cue ball shots, I shoot from the center table and the far side only. Once I've completed the first red ball location, I move the red ball up to the second diamond and repeat. And finally, I move up to the third diamond and once again repeat. Now it's time to add the object ball. I will shoot this from many locations from the kitchen line, as well as moving the red ball up and down the table. This will acclimate our eye to see the angle for the Ticky. I want to say something about this third diamond red ball location. I have to hit this yellow ball very hard to stun off that red ball. There's no way it would have gone in without stun. This exercise not only acclimates our eye to the cut angle, but it also teaches us a lot about the physics of this shot. Once I've successfully made several Ticky shots, I will then practice a rail first drill. So here I use the same paper reinforcements and I relocate the red ball as well as the cue ball to several locations. I like to shoot the rail first exercise between 2 of my Ticky exercises, and I'm going to show you another layout once I get done shooting these balls where I don't move the red ball but just simply move the object ball to 3 locations. From here, I go back to my Ticky exercise. Notice that I have 3 paper reinforcements for my yellow ball. I leave the red ball in its location at all times. What I'm going to try to do here is play different angles to play a Ticky off the red. I believe these exercises will be helpful to many, so if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I'll answer every one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.